I was teaching Excel this week and someone asked me, is there an easy way where I could add a blank row between every item in a list of data? For whatever reason, that's not going to be your best method to manage a list, but maybe you need a blank row for some kind of reason. Let's do, we'll use a helper column, or you can call it what you need to, a count or a helper, and we will add a number, a consecutive number in this helper column. I'll start with 1, I'll give it the 2, and then what I'll do is select both of those together and just fill it down. This will give me a series of the number. Now this goes all the way, oh, I had 100, so Control C to copy those, and then I'll paste, and it will make a new, basically a new row for each of these items here. And what I'll do at this point, escape out of the copy, what I'll do here is just sort. And you can find that in your editing group, sort and filter, A to Z. That's what we want. So you could right click on it, A to Z, or you could do this from the data tab. You could do this from this editing group on the home tab. And there you go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. We have now effectively put a blank row in all of those, and now you could delete and get rid of that, and you've got a blank between each. Not too bad, huh? Have a great day.